All right, yo, now we're gonna do some correcting. We're on math box page 256 at the first problem right here. Let me step away so you can see this beautiful, like, line plot that I got here. That's what yours should look like. All right? Bunch of X's, you know, somewhere on the fives there. And then for B, it says, what's the difference between Sabine's, she's got a pretty cool name there, Sabine's highest and lowest? Highest was 5.5. The lowest was not 3. Nobody got a 3. It's not 5 minus 3. Somebody got a 3 and a fourth. So you're trying to find 5.5 minus 3 and a fourth. Now you could have done it the whole fancy way, but it's a lot easier just to start here. What's 5.5 minus 1? That'd be 4.5. Now we're at 2 down to 3.5. We've got one more quarter to go. So the difference was 2, because it was 1, 2, and another quarter. So that's the answer to 1B. All right, here we go. Let's get all this out of the way. Quick. Your time is essential. All right, on Monday morning, Elijah opened a box of cereal and ate an eighth of its contents. That's not too crazy, an eighth for cereal boxes. I think he did okay. So he ate an eighth. On Tuesday, he ate a sixth of what was left. So second day, he did a sixth of what was left. Ooh. So he ate an eighth, which means how much was left? 7/8. Oh, this one almost suckered in teacher, and I would have had to pay somebody a blow pop. It's not a sixth of an eighth, because the second day he had a sixth of what was left. That's what was left. Ooh, I like that question. That's the number model? Well, that's the number model. And how much did he eat on Tuesday? So he ate a sixth of the 7/8 of the box that was left. So he ate 7/48. How much did he eat on Tuesday? 7/48. There you go. The answer is 7/48 boxes of cereal. That was pretty tricky. I like that. Let's do number 3. All right, 3. These pretty straight up here. 7/8. I'm gonna stack them up like this because that's just the way I roll. 7/8 plus 3/4. Let's make this into eighths. That's gonna be times 2 is 6/8. And notice he's rewriting the problem there. 7/8 plus 6/8 is 13/8, which best answer is 1 5/8. Boom. Next. Wow, this eraser is disgusting. I think my erasers back in my closet were better. All right, let's go. 7/9 and a half. 7/9 plus 1/2. You have to get common denominators again. 9 and 2. That looks like 18 to me. Times 9, times 9, times 2, times 2, 14. We still adding? Yes, we're still adding. 14 and 9 is 23, kids. 23/18 is going to be 1 5/18. And that's number 3. Let's go on to number 4. Oh, you might be about to be happy if this is... Oh, yeah. You're not doing this one. So, everyday math, if you're listening to me, I think it's rude to make kids divide by things out here that are, like, long. No one does that. They pull out a calculator and do it, okay? Equivalent problem. This part's important, though. You have to do this part. We can't deal with division where the divisor, yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a divisor, is got a decimal and it can't do it. So we're going to take this decimal and we're going to stick it over there. Because when it's there, it's like it's not really there. We can like ignore it, right? So we put it over 1 there, but the only way we can do this is if we change this one as well and move it 1 over. So it goes over 1 too. So we've made this one 10 times as big and this one 10 times as big, which means the answer to this new problem is going to be the same as the answer to the first one. So when it says equivalent problem, that's it. It's 725 divided by 145. Now, an estimate, I don't know. I'm thinking, are they going to make it come out evenly? I think they are. So they're being a little kind to you. All right. So I don't know what you estimate it. I would say maybe 700 divided by, I guess we'll call that 100, would be 7. That's a sort of reasonable estimation. Now, if you tried to do this problem like this, I mean, I guess you probably did do it like that. Like, that's obnoxious. But I think it's all gonna work out real pretty by 5. Let's see. 145 times 5. If this is not it, then I'm gonna be mad. 5 times 4 is 20, 2 is 2, carry the 2. Bam, it does work out exactly evenly. And here I was thinking I was about to rip on everyday math. I'm not gonna. They took care of you. Okay, comes out to 5. 5 is the final answer for that one. And the last one on this page, and then I'm gonna go hunt down a better eraser than this. It is number 5, 6 3/8. Oh, this looks nasty. 6 3/8 times 4 1/3. You're gonna have to make them in propers. Don't just say 6 times 4 and yeah, no. So let's make them in propers. Make 8 times 6 is 48. 3 more is 51/8 times. Make it improper. 3 times 4 is 12. 1 more is 13/3. Oh man, this is nasty. You can leave this improper. I'm cool with that. So 24 on the bottom. Now you got to figure out what 51 times 13 is. I don't know, dude. It's like a big number and stuff. 1, 5. Yeah, it is. It is 663 over 24. No, I'm not going to go and figure out what that's supposed to be. Just know when to stop sometimes in life. It's important. Okay? That's all they're going to get out of me. Now, they could have done it like this. Let's see. We could have done the 6 times the 4, the 6 times 1/3, the 3/8 times 4, and the 3/8 times 1/3. This is the other method that they teach you how to do. It's 24, 6, that's gonna be 6 over 3, which is equal to 2. This might have been easier. 12 over 8, which is 1 4/8, which is 1 1/2. This one gives you 3 over 24, which is an 1/8. So if we add those things together, we get 24 and 2 is 26, plus 1 more is 27, and I've got a half, which is 4/8, plus 1 more 1/8 is 5/8. So if you did it all out and you got 27 5/8, you should feel like this warm glow spreading all through your body. Good for you. And let's move on. Get on to the next page now, which is 257.